Welcome back. We got something special for you guys. We're gonna do a transmission swap with a new transmission for a 2013 Cadillac Escalade. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go over the video and see how we did it. You know, something kind of fast, show you guys the transition for this Cadillac. We're gonna be doing more videos for that. I'll show you guys how that goes. Stay tuned. What do we have here? Fresh unboxing. Look at that beauty. Looks like a nuke. So first thing you want to do, you want to jack this thing up. We are not using the hoist because it was like something in the moment. And then we're used to that. So you want to take out the drive shaft for sure first. My buddy in the front, he's taking off the starter, the bolts for the exhaust, the bolts for the flywheel, the converter, and we're just pretty much taking out everything around it. We're going to take it off to get out of the way. As you can see, we have a lot of fun doing that. So like I said, you want to take off everything. You want to take off the exhaust with the oxygen sensors, disconnect them. Make sure you get all the connections. There's a main connector on the transmission on the passenger side. You want to get that off too. You'll have fun with this one. It's probably rusted. So once you got the exhaust off, you want to support the transmission and take out this bridge in the middle so you can remove the exhaust completely. Make sure nothing falls in your face while you're doing this. Don't mind me, this is my Escalade. I'm just trying to make markings for future reference. And FYI, I do not throw customers' parts like that, only because it's mine. And you want to make sure you don't lose that. Well, you want to get all the bolts around. There are some brackets. You just move those brackets out of the way, get those bolts out. Once you get all the stuff going on, you want to make sure you get rags. You know, gotta have that shop rags. We thought oil was gonna come out, but nothing came out. So just make sure you have stuff around and just pry it evenly. Then once you get that off, like I said, you could have use the hoist and use those jacks, those floor jacks for transmissions. But we just kind of wanted to do it pretty fast, and I think we only took like about an hour to take this thing down. As you can see, nice and smooth. That's the old one right there, original. Gave out at 119, which is pretty early, but I guess never got service, or maybe it was driven too hard. I took advantage to change the rear main seal, and you want to be careful because some oil does pop out here. So we get that old one out of the way and go manhandle this new one here. If it looks heavy, it's because it is. Oh man. So there you go. So sexy beast. Yo, got it all locked up. This ain't going nowhere. So again, we would be much careful. We wouldn't do this to all the transmission. And if you can't do this right here, don't even try to put this bad boy in. That's a special skill you get there. From here, it's a reverse process. You want to make sure you put all the bolts, catalytic, and the bridge, and pretty much everything back. Sometimes things are out of reach. I hope you guys enjoyed that short video. There'll be more about the Escalade. We're going to do some taillights conversion, and we're going to do a couple other things that need to be fixed on this Escalade. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.